Hey guys, welcome back. So for today's quick tip, before you shut your engine off and park your Panther car, make sure you don't leave the Air Flow Selector switch in off or max AC. Make sure you put it in a different position. So once again, before you shut the engine off and before you park it, make sure you don't leave it in the off or the max AC position. Make sure you choose one of these other modes here. Now what if you have the fancy digital electronic setup? The same rules apply. Do not turn it off and do not have the max AC running when you shut the engine off. Make sure you're using one of these other modes before you shut the engine off and before you park the car. If you want to know more details why, they'll be down below in the description. Alright, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.